Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to create and use your Sendwave account so you can send money fast to friends and family, especially if you're sending to Africa, the US, or the UK. First off, download the Sendwave app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it up and tap Sign Up. You'll need your phone number and email to create your account. Next, verify your phone number and email. This only takes a few seconds and gets your account ready to start sending. Now, if you're sending money, tap Send. Choose the country and recipient method, like mobile money, bank account, or cash pickup. Here's a pro tip. Link your bank account or debit card for faster transfers. Some methods even let you send with zero fees, depending on where you are. Review the amount, fees, and exchange rate, then confirm the transaction. Most transfers go through in minutes. So should you feel lost setting up? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start sending money with confidence. Let me know in the comments if you've used Sendwave before and where you're sending to. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.